Learning is an exciting journey. It's about discovering new things and growing as a person. Being a successful student isn't about being the smartest, it's about passion and perseverance. It's about setting goals and not giving up. It's about finding joy in learning. When you are passionate, you enjoy the process. You are eager to learn more. Perseverance means you keep trying, even when things get tough. Remember, every successful person started as a student. Think of a time you were really good at something. Maybe you learned to ride a bike or play an instrument. Remember the effort and dedication it took? That's the spirit of a successful student. You loved the challenge and didn't give up. In learning, you can achieve anything with passion and perseverance. Let's explore how to make that happen. What makes a student successful? It's not just about good grades, it's about important qualities. One key quality is determination. Successful students have a strong will to learn. They set high standards for themselves. They don't give up easily when faced with challenges. Another important quality is time management. Successful students use their time wisely. They plan their study schedule. They avoid procrastination. Curiosity is another vital quality. Successful students ask questions. They are eager to learn new things. They go beyond the textbook to explore. These qualities are interconnected. Determination fuels perseverance. Good time management allows for focused study. Curiosity leads to deeper understanding. Let's explore some practical tips to cultivate these qualities. Now let's talk about practical tips. First, create a study schedule. A schedule helps you stay organized. It also helps you manage your time. Plan specific times for studying each subject. Stick to your schedule as much as possible. Second, don't be afraid to ask questions. Asking questions shows you are engaged. It helps you understand the material better. If something is unclear, ask your teacher or classmates. Third, stay organized. Keep your notes neat and tidy. Use folders or binders for each subject. This makes it easier to find what you need. These simple tips can make a big difference. Remember, consistency is key. Make these tips part of your daily routine. The journey to becoming a successful student starts today. Embrace the power of passion and perseverance. Cultivate determination, manage your time wisely, and never stop being curious. Remember, success is not a destination. It's a journey of continuous learning and growth. Use the tips we discussed to make the most of your education. Believe in yourself. You have the potential to achieve great things.